Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll explore how Aviva uses a BMR calculator to provide personalized health insights based on user inputs, and how you can create a similar interactive calculator using Outgrow. Let's first understand the Aviva BMR calculator experience. The calculator asks users a few simple questions about their body details, including, what is your gender? What is your age? What is your height? What is your weight? Based on these inputs, the calculator instantly provides personalized health results. This type of interactive calculator helps users understand their body's energy requirements and encourages them to take action toward their fitness and wellness goals. Now let's see how you can build a similar BMR calculator using Outgrow. Start by logging into your Outgrow account. Click on Calculator from the dashboard. You can either create a calculator from scratch or choose from Outgrow's library of professionally designed templates. Outgrow offers 1,000 plus templates and layouts that help you quickly create interactive calculators for different industries, including healthcare, fitness, finance, and marketing. After selecting a template, customize it according to your audience and brand. Start with the Welcome screen. Add a clear headline and description. For example, headline, Basal Metabolic Rate, BMR, and Daily Calorie Needs Calculator. Description: calculate your BMR and daily calorie needs. Now let's add the calculator questions similar to Aviva. What is your gender? What is your age? What is your height? What is your weight? These inputs will help the calculator generate personalized results for each user. Now let's set up the calculation logic. Move to the Results section and click on Edit Configure Results section. If you have selected pre-built templates, then based on the user's gender, age, height, and weight inputs, Outgrow will automatically calculate personalized health metrics. However, if you need to change the logic based on your questions, you can do it manually. Under the Results screen, you can add the result title, image, video, chart, table, and URL to display them on the result page. Now let's move to the Overall Design section. Here you can customize the look and feel of your calculator. You can update your company logo, adjust its size, and change the colors of the background, questions, answers, and other components. Before displaying the final results, you can also enable a lead generation form. For example, collect name, email address. This allows you to capture valuable leads while providing users with personalized health insights. Once everything is ready, click Go Live to publish your calculator. You can share the calculator URL, embed it on your website, add it to fitness blogs, health resources, landing pages, or promote it through email campaigns and social media. And that's it. You've now created an Aviva-style BMR calculator using Outgrow that delivers personalized health results, increases audience engagement, and helps you collect valuable user data. Ready to create your own interactive calculator? Start building personalized calculators and engaging experiences with Outgrow. Start your 7-day free trial today